Did you know that what you eat can directly impact your skin's appearance? Studies show that certain foods can accelerate aging, damaging collagen, elasticity, and even your skin's hydration. And the main culprit? Glycation, a process caused by the combination of sugar and proteins in the body, resulting in harmful substances known as ages. These compounds, along with habits like poor diet and lack of sleep, lead to oxidative stress, one of the biggest enemies of youthful skin. But don't worry, because today I'll show you 7 foods you should avoid and how to replace them to protect your skin and keep it looking healthy for much longer. Before we dive in, let me share a story. Maria was a 35-year-old woman who often heard people comment that her skin looked much older than her age. Dark spots, wrinkles, and sagging had become more and more noticeable. She had tried various creams, treatments, and even cosmetic procedures, but nothing seemed to work. One day, during a visit to her dermatologist, she heard something that would change her life. "Maria, what you're eating is destroying your skin." It was a wake-up call. Maria had never thought her diet might be the real problem. But with small changes, everything began to improve. Today I'm going to share the tips that transformed Maria's skin, and that can transform yours too. The first villain on the list is sugar. Maria loved sweets, and it was taking a toll. Sugar not only reduces collagen production but also contributes to acne, leaving the skin vulnerable and dull. The doctor suggested she start replacing sweets with fresh fruits like strawberries and grapes, which are rich in antioxidants. Maria also began using natural sweeteners like xylitol to sweeten her morning coffee. Within weeks, she noticed her skin becoming clearer and more radiant. Next came the challenge of giving up French fries. They were Maria's favorite snack, but the high cooking temperatures generated free radicals that attacked her skin cells. Plus, the sodium in fried foods dehydrated her skin, causing wrinkles around her eyes and mouth. The replacement was simple: baked sweet potato chips. Maria couldn't believe how easy it was to make a difference, but it worked. Another significant adjustment was bread. Maria loved starting her day with a slice of white bread toast, but her doctor explained that refined carbs caused inflammation in the body and accelerated aging. Switching to whole grain bread with seeds was a smart choice. Not only did it help keep her skin looking younger, but it also gave her more energy throughout the day. Next came a tough one. Maria always used margarine on her toast and in cooking. She didn't know that margarine was loaded with trans fats, which made her skin more vulnerable to sun damage. Her dermatologist suggested replacing it with olive oil or even avocado. Over time, Maria realized these alternatives not only made her recipes tastier but also protected her skin. Processed meats were another focus area. Bacon and sausages were regular parts of her diet, but they were dehydrating her skin and worsening signs of aging. She started incorporating healthier protein options like grilled chicken and eggs. Even legumes like beans and chickpeas became staples in her meals. The change wasn't easy at first, but the results were undeniable. Packaged juices also made the blacklist. These products, packed with sugar and sodium, were weakening Maria's collagen. Opting for the benefits of fresh fruits instead was a game changer. Now, Maria prefers eating a whole orange rather than drinking boxed orange juice. It's a win-win, saving her from excess sugar while adding fiber and vitamins to her diet. Lastly, the biggest surprise came with alcohol. Maria loved enjoying wine and other drinks on weekends. Her doctor explained that alcohol dehydrated her skin and depleted essential nutrients like vitamin A, which is crucial for cell renewal and collagen production. Instead of giving it up entirely, she made a strategic choice. Small amounts of red wine, known for its resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells. This change helped Maria strike a balance, enjoying wine's benefits without the harm of excessive alcohol. Today, Maria's skin is almost unrecognizable, and in the best way possible. With these simple substitutions, she not only reversed signs of aging but also gained more energy and confidence. Now, she doesn't need makeup to feel beautiful. Her skin speaks for itself. And you can achieve these results too. Start making small changes to your diet today and watch how your skin will thank you. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with friends and family who could benefit from this information. Thank you for watching and see you next time.